In this video, I'm going to show you how to track flights on Google. To begin, open Google in your browser. In the search bar, type Flightradar24 and press enter. From the search results, you'll see the official website for Flightradar24 appear at the top. Click on it to access the site. Once the website loads, you will be able to view a real-time map that displays all the currently active commercial flights across the globe. As the map finishes loading, you'll see numerous flight icons representing aircraft in the air. You can zoom in on any region using your scroll wheel to explore flights in specific areas. If you want detailed information about a specific flight, simply click on any plane icon on the map. Once selected, a panel will appear on the left-hand side of your screen displaying flight details such as the flight number, the departure and arrival cities, along with the distance it has already covered. If you scroll further down in the left panel, you'll find even more detailed data about the aircraft. While many features are available for free, some additional information, like the aircraft's age or country of registration, requires a paid subscription. Additionally, at the top right-hand side of the screen, there's a search box. This allows you to search for specific flights based on route, airline, airport, or even nearby aircraft. This tool is incredibly useful for tracking flights in real time, and this is how you can use Google to track flights with Flightradar24.